Alright guys, so today's video is about mactivepro app not installing on phone. So if you have your smartphone and you are trying to install the mactivepro app and you are getting your device isn't compatible with this version, or your mactivepro is not working, then in this video I'll show you how you can get it fixed and enjoy this app without wasting much of your time. Let's get down to business. Alright, the first thing to do here is to forget about this Google Play Store and let's go to this website I'm going to show you. But before that, please switch on your Bluetooth, data and location. So let's switch on my data. This is my Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi this time, and my Bluetooth and my location, which is the GPS. Okay, once you switch on these three things, this is going to work for you. Now you have to go to a website, PYER. You can see the link in the description box for direct click. So let's go there. This is the website, as you can see, PGYER. So this is our mactiv app that we are going to download. Don't worry about this. This is safe and it is written in Chinese, so you have to select this green one. Let me change it to English language, and this will translate everything on this place. Now as you can see, it is in English. So the next thing to do here is to select install, and when you select install, it's going to bring a pop-up dialog box like this. File might be harmful, then you select download anyways. Don't worry about this, this is safe. Okay, so downloads anyways. As you can see, our file is downloading here. So once it completes download, we are going to see it. So let me just open up this file. All right, as you can see, it's still downloading, so let's just wait for it. Now our file has been downloaded. That is, our mactivepro app has been downloaded. So we just tap on it to open it, and we have to install it. As you can see, mactivepro app, and you come down here and select install. When you select install, you are going to see the installing box there, so let it load. Now we have our app installed and it is scanning. As you can see, our app is now installed successfully. So now select the complete option down there. As you can see, it is installed. Open and scroll down here and agree to the privacy and user agreement. Select the agree button, and it's going to pop up a message that allow mactivepro to access your device location. Allow mactivepro to make and manage your phone calls. Allow. Let the app runs in the background. Select allow, so that it won't kill the app when it is running and when you are less busy with the app. Now you are at the login page where you can input your email and password if you already have the logins before. Now the next thing to do here is you can either sign up with your WeChat account, you can sign up with your Gmail account and this account, but here I'll be using visitor login. That is a guess. I won't be logging in. So if you want to use your Gmail, you can just tap here. If you want to use your WeChat, tap here. Alright, so I'll be using visitor login so that I can be fast. Alright, as you can see, these are my details, just details generated by the app. So I'll select save, and notification permission pop up. You have to forward the application notification to the remote intelligent device. Press OK. So you select enter, and here it's going to take you to the notification access page. Here you have to toggle on the notification access permission for mactivepro app, which you can see down here. Okay, toggle it on like this and confirm by allow. Then you select the back button, and it's going to ask you once again, use location permission. Select open, and once you have done that, your mactivepro app is ready to use. Now your mactivepro app not working is now working. Next thing to do here is to come down here to the device option. As you can see, the device option here, then select device, and you can see it says you have not bound any device yet, bind now. So you are going to tap on this plus. Allow mactivepro to access your phone, photos, to access your photos, media and files on this device. Allow. allow it to take picture and record video, allow, and it's searching for our watch. As you can see, our watch 7 has just popped up, and this is our watch 7 here. As you can see, if I scroll all the way down, you are going to see the information of this smartwatch there. So you can see both that it is the same thing with the MAC address and the version. Good. Now tap on the watch 7. So just wait for it to connect, and let's see. Just watch out for this icon here to see if it's going to connect. Now it has changed and it is now connected. Okay, so we have connected our smartwatch, and that is just the first connection. The second connection is for the call feature, which you can see here, So on the phone you can see watch 7 100% connected. Now you can use this feature to locate your watch. As you can see, it is ringing. All right, the next thing to do here is to turn on this feature, turn on this Bluetooth call feature so that you can use it to make call. Tap on it. Okay, we are having it on. Try it. As you can see, it has just disconnected itself. What I will tell you to do here is to pair this request. As you can see, it's calling for pairing request. Just pair it up. If not, it's going to be connecting and disconnecting. You have to tick allow access to contact and call easily. Okay, and pair. And once you do that, it's going to connect itself again, and you can see here on our smartwatch it is connected, and this time around with the Bluetooth. Okay, you can see the call Bluetooth connected. If your own is not working, if your watch is not working, please just go to your Bluetooth settings and search for your watch 7. Okay, if you search for the watch 7, go to your Bluetooth once again, pair as new device, and your watch 7 will come out here under this place, and you can now select it. Now I have to tap this watch call because you have to connect your watch 7 and watch call. When you tap it, as you can see, we have just connected the 2 Bluetooth of watch 7. If you don't connect the 2 Bluetooth, you'll be having messages, but you will not be able to use your watch 7 to make call. All right, so if you have any question, please drop it down there. And that is that. So let me go back to the app. You can also set up the dial manager. If you want it, you just select the dial manager. It's going to take you to these dials where you can change the wallpaper of your W17 Pro smartwatch or whatever mactivepro watch that you are using. All right, so this is going to load up, and as you can see, it is coming up because I have poor internet connection here, so it is loading slowly. Now let me just take you to another place. If you want to install, just select install and it's going to go. Another thing I would like you to know about is setting the WhatsApp. So you have to come to info notice, and when you select that, it's going to show you all these places. So you have to toggle on this call notice, SMS notice. When you toggle it on this way, select allow, and select this SMS notice also, select allow and allow. And you have any other app you want to be receiving notification from, you can just select it from here. All right, so let's just pick YouTube, which you can see down the list. Once I select YouTube, I'm going to be getting notifications from YouTube here. If I want it from Gmail also, I'll be getting notification from Gmail. Once it drop on this phone, it is going to show on the smartwatch. So that is how to connect your mactivepro app not working. So if you have any issue or you still experience any difficulty, please let me know down there in the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I remain Babatunde Omotayo. Stay blessed. Peace.